The Ionic Power Shower will revolutionize your shower experience. The advanced technology of the Ionic Power Shower generates the same healthy negative ions abundant in waterfalls and sea mist. You can now bring nature's healthy negative ions to your shower at home. The soft ionic jet streams will surround you and your family with pure well-being, energy, and freshness every day. The Ionic spray plate, the zeolite ceramic ball chamber, and stainless steel mesh make the Ionic Power Shower lime-scale resistant and filter solid and organic impurities from the water. The Ionic Power Shower is also environmentally friendly because it reduces water consumption by up to 50% through a special flow controller. Now you can enjoy all the health benefits and pleasures of a spa-quality waterfall in your own shower at home. Act now to improve the health, well-beingness of your whole family.